Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So I'm going to go and check the stocks. Hopefully it's not scary. So Coinbase. So the theory was, yeah, this is crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, this could be it, okay, for this correction. And this is a little bit big as even that should be yeah. This could be just the A. Or honestly, this could be just this correction here. For the B, it would be a very shallow B though. I'm not sure. Let me A, B, C. Do we finish here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, no, we do need a bigger correction. Okay, so this A would have been finished. Just hold on a second here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, no, the fifth wave also it's finished. This is our crazy micro counting. And very possible we can have a very shallow B wave, honestly. So this could also be happening. So can I do a downtrend, which you all guys know that I like? But you can see that by the time we break this trend, it would have recovered a lot. Let's see first of all if it can break the MA50 as a resistance, and then we shall see from there. Now let me go lower. Let me take hot. Also hot jumped. So let me go here. It's a little bit deferred. Just to compare, it went to the previous level even higher. So we are about here. It doesn't really change anything. I'm going to put another trend here. And until it doesn't break this downtrend, nothing more bullish is happening. Now, are we surprised of this correction? Not at all, right? Because we were expecting it. I was expecting it anyway. Now, I did put this red count where we can make an extension, because let's remember this was a third, a fourth, and this possibly is the fifth. But we can also say that this was a 1, now we're working on a 2 and making 3, 4, 5, or just an A, B, C. Because there is a case to say that maybe this is a 1, 2, a 3, and a 4, and a 5, but there is also, unfortunately, I would say more that this was an A, B, and a C, but I don't really like the ratio of the wave A and C, but that's another thing. Let me remove that also. And yeah, so I'm going to watch now if we can break that. And if this is second wave, honestly, I don't want to add too many things now, because otherwise the chart is going to be crazy. We did reach the 0.5. This could be finished. This is a very messy correction. I cannot see any ABC, and I'm just going to wait and see the price reaction. We are about maybe possibly to do a golden cross, which is when the MA50 overlap the MA200. It's positive, but to make it work, price need to push higher. So let's see if this it's happening. And you see, that's crazy. On the US chart already did it, right? And once again, a lot of time when this happens, you know, it's because a correction is coming. And actually, yeah, because this was the peak and we already started the correction, and after that we had the golden cross. So here is the same, but just worse. Because we had the correction first, and now we're making the golden cross. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. So the only thing I'm watching if HOT can hold and react to any level between 23.11 and 26.04. Kind of reacted already to the latest one. Now we could expect also, if this is the A, we could do a B and a C. So I'm going to put the B level now, just in case. I'm going to add the 0.5 as well. And 0.5, as you can see, could coincide with the downtrend. So this is a level 28.79. And if we can break that, then 29.55 and 30.66. Price reaching higher than 30.66 probability would increase that this is not a B wave anymore, even though B wave can go higher. But it would also depend on the structure. Now, MicroStrategy, I can remove some levels now. So I did tell you once again, this correction could be completed. Structurally, it's a mess. There are some people, they count this as a 1-2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. Could be. I don't like this 1-2. Lately, honestly, there is many 1-2 I don't like. So I'm not even going to attempt to label it. But the ratio wave A, wave C, it did react to the 1.236. We did reach a little bit below the 0.236 fib retracement for this fourth wave. So technically this can be a completed fourth wave, and the price now is reacting. So once again, as for hot and mining, if price goes higher than 435.71, then probabilities start to increase that this correction is done and we are already pushing higher. Now, is there something else? Let me go NDA because I did have a request on that one. So I was saying A, B, C. Once again, this worked perfectly. Now, don't you remember where is this fifth wave coming from? That's a retracement. 1, 2. Okay, so this is like a fourth wave. Ah, yeah, it's there, fourth wave. There you go. So this is the limit where it can go. And this was, the idea was this diagonal, right? ABC, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and very long wave 4. A lot of time when the wave 2 is very short, wave 4 is very long. This was a freaking long. Reach the limit. Let's see now if we can start to have a reaction. Once again, well, we have that cross. That's, again, this is delayed indicator. So that implies that the price really went down or on the side for a very long time. And perhaps now we're ready to a bounce. Let me go on the 4 hours. So there is room to go up, no problem. And the daily especially. Yeah, so we're not oversold, but it's low. So, and I can see something happening because both RSI and stock RSI are low and maybe hinting that they want to go higher. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.